Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this advanced Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically enter date and time in comments in Microsoft Excel. Okay, we have covered several videos on comments in Microsoft Excel. Check out this playlist here and let's get started. First, take a look at this blank workbook here, and I want to create a comments here, and I want to add the time and date automatically with this comment. How you can do that? We are going to use Visual Basic for application. Okay, so to do that, first click on the Developer tab, click on Visual Basic, click Insert, and click Module. Now paste the code. I have already written the code. If you need the code, please sign up the form and subscribe to the channel. I will email you the code. Now close the VBE. Our code is ready, and if I run the code from macros and click on date on comment and click run, you can see this comment indicator is here, and if you hover there, you can see the date and time is already inserted just below the author name of that comment. Okay, now we are going to assign a button to do the same thing. How you can do that? Simply click on insert, click on shapes and design your button. Design it according to your needs and write the button name. I'm naming it. Format it according to your need. So this is my button, and I'm going to right click on the button, and you can see there is option assign macro. Click it and select this one date on comment and click OK. So our button is ready, our code is ready. Now if I place my cursor in this cell and click on that button, you can see we have created a comment. That comment indicator is here, and if we hover there, we can see the author name and date and time automatically. So if you need to insert comment frequently, you can use this function, and it will help you to track down the time when you edited or whatever needs you have. So this is what I wanted to show you. Thank you, thanks for watching, and in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing but without the VBA, only using keyboard shortcut. Okay, see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.